Today we're going to talk about targeted microanalysis, or TMA. And SciAps offers the only instrument that's able to do this type of analysis. It's a screening method that allows you to focus on a very small surface area. So this is the type of analysis that you need a scanning electron microscope or an ICP to do. But now you can do it with a simple screening tool like SciAps Libs. There are three aspects to TMA. The first aspect is quantitative analysis. And you can do this by testing the carbon on small samples like screws. You can also test inclusions and look at components. Okay, the second aspect of TMA is qualitative analysis. This includes 2D mapping, and it also includes just focusing on an individual spot or location that you want to identify what elements may be present in a sample. A good example of this is in electronics testing. Usually in a clean room environment, they want to test the surface and see what kind of contamination has got on the sample. In the jewelry industry, they'll often use beryllium coating to make the stone look more clear and more valuable. So in order to identify this, you can test the outer reaches of the stone to identify whether or not there's beryllium. Another aspect of the qualitative analysis is using Geochem Pro. And in Geochem Pro, you can do mapping of the surface of any stone. With lithium mining, they'll often look at pegmatite, whether or not the pegmatite is lithium bearing or not lithium bearing. The third aspect to TMA is semi-quantitative analysis. One of the clearest examples of semi-quantitative analysis using TMA is testing individual components of lithium-ion batteries. So here is an individual layer of a lithium-ion battery. So we're going to test this sample. It's a very quick test, and you'll get the result right away, as seen here. So that just gives you a brief example of all the applications that you can do with TMA. And with SciAps Libs, it allows you to see elements that you weren't able to see before. And really the biggest advantage to using Libs is that you don't need all this preparation to do it. It's very simple. Just grab, point, and shoot. And you can save yourself a lot of time and energy with your analysis program.